Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Binance application not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is ensure a stable internet connection. Try toggling your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. Always make sure that VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to give it a quick refresh. If you're on an Android, you can simply go ahead and go to your phone setting, go to apps, and then find Binance and clear cache inside of storage. If that is not the case, you can also try force stopping and opening the application. On both iOS and Android, if your application is not up to date, it is going to go ahead and cause you a lot of problems. So simply go ahead and update it. And if none of it works, you might have no other option but to try to restart your phone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.